Welcome people, welcome viewers, this is the YIP Verified YouTube channel. It is important for you to like the video and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe right now. Now people, viewers, when you see the title, when you see the thumbnail, so when you know what we come about. But before me get at that, you see if you live in a community where war go on, and you know so war go on and the place at, stop hang out a bar and corner where other man hang out, because if a particular man dead there and them rival come for them and you dead in the crowd, you gonna get it too. You understand? Enough people are dead nowhere. The man them now come for. But because you stand up beside of the man of them come for, you play domino with the man of them come for, or you chat with the man of them come for in the group, you understand? Them are gonna just shoot everybody. We know them not gonna tell you excuse. A badness them a deal with that ignorance that them not gonna come and say excuse or move and this and that. The only way you might escape it, unless the person know you and have look of respect for you, you know, must get it in that way there. And when I say know you, I don't mean say you work with them or nothing like that. No, but you understand up the road and down the road of war, them know who them a go for. But for the fact that sometimes when them forward, most people beside of them just can't everybody. You understand, and make sure who them come for dead. But in some case, even though you're there beside the man them come for, them know say you are good youth and you're not involved in nothing. Them know that for sure, so you will escape it. You understand? Them are gonna love you. But if you're dead there and them not too sure about you, even though one of you them come for, you're gonna get it too. Now, people viewers, an incident happened down at Trelawny where 4 people get shot and 2 of them dead. The man them dress up as police and forward for who them a come for. You understand? The man them dress up as soldier soldier, and go for the youth them. And do what them have to do. 4 get shot, 2 fatally. Now pre this, I'm gonna read the article, a very short article. 4 shot in Trelawny, 2 fatally by gunmen dressed as soldiers. 4 people were shot, 2 fatally by unknown assailants dressed in army camouflage in the normally peaceful community of Duncans, Trelawny on Saturday night. The deceased have been identified as 28-year-old Jason Traile and Dennis, age 25, both from Red Dirt district in Duncans. Reports are that about 7:30 p.m. both men were among a group of people gathering in the Red Dirt section of Duncans when heavily armed men pounced and sprayed the gathering with bullets. 4 people, including Traile and Dennis, were shot and taken to the hospital, where both men were pronounced dead on arrival and the other 2 admitted for treatment. The motive behind the attack was not ascertained up to publication time. Now, people, viewers, exactly as what I said, the man them just pounce up. And no business who the man them just spray the 4 man them. You understand? And 2 of them drop out so far. Hopefully no more of them now lose them life. Now, for the people that wanna love them yard where them always have to dip on the corner, talk, them always have to each up a bar or some little gathering, you understand, some little gambling gathering, them have to chat with them friend out the road and thing. More time on for avoid them local spot there when the place at. Especially for the know in a things, you understand, no in a war and them thing there. But the man them not busy if in a war. The man them got just come spray the group if you're dead with who them come for. And a whole heap of innocent youth are gonna lose them life. I mean say that for say the man them for kill off them rival gunman or whatever. You understand? We not support nor promote no type of violence, no type of shootings. But just say them thing is what's possible. Or rather them thing happen, me understand the man them a come for them rival and you go dead there and you go get gunshot. Stay in your lane, stay in your yard more time. If not all the time. You not look for no good man, you not look for nobody come attack you. Because you know in a war, but you could just stay at the wrong place at the wrong time. You don't want that reach us or just no dead none at all. Now remember, it is important for you to like the video and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe to YIP Verified YouTube channel. now. Subscribe. Big up on yourself.